आज हम लोग प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कोलाइड्स और प्योरिफिकेशन ऑफ कोलाइड्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कोलाइड्स के बहुत सारे मेथड हैं, उसमें कुछ केमिकल मेथड हैं। उन केमिकल मेथड्स का सम एग्जांपल्स हैं, जैसे डबल डिकम्पोजिशन है, ऑक्सीडेशन, रिडक्शन और हाइड्रोलिसिस है। इन दिस मेथड द मॉलिक्यूल्स एग्रीगेट लीडिंग टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉल्ट. For example, one example is given here of in this method, ferric hydroxide salt is prepared by hydrolysis. Now various physical methods are also there. One is Predict arcs method. This process involves dispersion as well as condensation. Colloidal salts of metals such as gold, silver, platinum can be prepared by this method. The diagram is given here. You can see in the diagram. In this method, electric arc is struck between electrodes of the metal immersed in a dispersion medium. देखिए यहाँ पर दो इलेक्ट्रोड्स हैं जो कि डिस्पर्शन मीडियम में इमर्स हैं और उनके इलेक्ट्रिक आर्क लगा हुआ, तार से करंट फ्लो कर रहा है. The intense heat produced vaporizes the metal, which then condenses to form particles of colloidal size. Next method is baptization. Baptization may be defined as process of converting a precipitate into colloidal salt by shaking it with dispersion medium in the presence of a small amount of electrolyte, and the electrolyte which is used for this purpose is called baptizing agent. Now about the purification of colloidal solutions. In this method, the impurities are removed to a requisite minimum, and this process is called purification of colloidal solution. The various methods are: first one is dialysis. It is a process of removing a dissolved substance from a colloidal solution by means of diffusion through a suitable membrane. Since particles in a true solution can pass through animal membrane, ब्लैडर और पार्चमेंट पेपर. अब देखिए यहाँ डायग्राम बना हुआ है. इसमें क्या है, एक कोलोइडल सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है और ये इसके चारों तरफ पार्चमेंट पेपर है. अब इसको हम लोग जब डाल रहे हैं तो इसमें जो सॉल्यूशन है, जो स्मॉल ट्रू सॉल्यूशन वाले पार्ट जो है वो पास कर जाएंगे थ्रू दिस पार्चमेंट पेपर, और जो अंदर रह जाएगा वो क्या रह जाएगा, उसमें सिर्फ कोलोइडल सॉल्यूशन रह जाएगा. For this purpose, cellophane sheet but not the colloidal particles, the membrane can be used for dialysis. The apparatus used for this purpose is called dialyzer. Now electrodialysis. Since the process of dialysis is very slow, so to proceed it is very slow, it can be made faster by applying an electric field if the dissolved substance in the impure colloidal solution is only an electrolyte. The process is then named electrodialysis. Now next is ultrafiltration. It is a process of separating the colloidal particles from the solvent and soluble solutes present in the colloidal solution by specially prepared filters, which are known as ultrafilters. Through these filters, colloidal particles can pass through ordinary filter paper because the pores are too large. However, the pores of filter paper can be reduced in size by impregnating with colloidal solution to stop the flow of colloidal particles. The usual collodion is a 4% solution of nitrocellulose in a mixture of alcohol and ether. An ultrafilter paper can be prepared by soaking the filter paper in a collodion solution, hardening by formaldehyde, and then finally drying it. That's all. Thank you.